Today, I'll show you how to block time in Outlook Calendar. If you want to reserve time for focused work, lunch, an appointment, travel, or any period where you don't want others to book you, Outlook makes this very easy. Microsoft says the main way to do it is to create a calendar appointment or event and set your availability with the show as option, such as busy or out of office. That way, when other people check your calendar, they can see that your time is already taken. To get started, open Outlook and go to Calendar. Then create a new event or new appointment for the time you want to block. Add a title like Focus Time, Meeting Prep, Lunch Break, Deep Work, or Personal Appointment. After that, choose the start and end time. If you want to block a whole day, turn on All Day. Microsoft notes that all-day events are usually shown as free by default, so if you want the time to actually look blocked, you may need to change the status manually. Now this is the most important step. Look for the show. As setting and change it to busy if you want to block that time on your calendar. You can also choose out of office if the blocked time is for leave, vacation, or time away from work. Microsoft lists options like free, working elsewhere, tentative, busy, and out of office, and the one you choose controls how other people see your availability. If this is something you do often, like daily focus time or a weekly planning session, make it recurring. Outlook lets you repeat the event every day, every week, or on another custom schedule. That way, you don't have to create the same blocked time over and over again manually. This is especially useful for regular work blocks or routine personal time. One more thing to remember is that blocking time on your own calendar is different from adding an all-day note to a group calendar. Microsoft's group calendar guidance even recommends using free in some shared group situations so you don't accidentally block everyone else's scheduling view. So if your goal is simply to protect your own availability, create the event on your own calendar and set Show As to Busy. And that's how to block time in Outlook Calendar. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.